Hey everyone, Unlock Greatness here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency to talk about Pi Network. Over the past few days, Pi Coin has been on a wild ride, with its price fluctuating dramatically. In this video, we'll break down everything that's happened, analyze the potential of Pi Network, and discuss whether it's a smart investment for you. Before we get started, remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Now let's get started. For those unfamiliar with Pi Network, here's a quick rundown. Launched in 2019 by a group of Stanford graduates, Pi Network aimed to create a cryptocurrency that anyone could mine using their smartphones. Unlike Bitcoin, which requires massive amounts of energy to mine, Pi Network utilizes a more sustainable approach. The idea was simple. Users could mine Pi by simply logging into the app daily and contributing to the network's security. This accessibility and ease of use quickly attracted millions of users worldwide, creating a massive and active community. However, Pi Network has faced its fair share of skepticism and criticism. Some have questioned its legitimacy, comparing it to a pyramid scheme due to its referral system. Others have expressed concerns about the lack of transparency surrounding its technology and long-term viability. Fast forward to today, and Pi Network has officially launched its mainnet. This is a significant milestone for the project, which has been in development for several years. The anticipation leading up to this moment has been palpable, with the community eagerly awaiting the opportunity to see Pi Coin in action on the mainnet. This means that Pi Coin, the network's native cryptocurrency, is now live and available for trading on certain exchanges. Traders and investors have been quick to jump on the opportunity, with trading volumes surging as people look to capitalize on the new coin. The excitement is evident as Pi Coin makes its debut in the competitive world of cryptocurrency trading. And let me tell you, the past 3 days have been a roller coaster ride for Pi Coin's price. The market has been incredibly volatile, with prices swinging wildly as traders react to the latest news and developments. It's been a thrilling, albeit nerve-wracking experience for those involved. Immediately after launch, Pi Coin experienced a surge in value, with some reports suggesting it reached as high as $2.10. This initial spike was driven by a combination of hype and speculative trading, as early adopters rushed to get in on the action. However, this initial euphoria was short-lived, and the price quickly corrected downwards. Such corrections are common in the cryptocurrency market, especially for new coins that are still finding their footing. The rapid rise and fall in price left many wondering what the future holds for Pi Coin. Over the next 48 hours, Pi Coin's price continued to fluctuate, experiencing both upward and downward swings. This kind of volatility is typical for newly launched cryptocurrencies, as the market tries to determine a fair value for the coin. Traders have been closely monitoring the situation, looking for opportunities to buy low and sell high. As of today, Pi Coin is trading at insert current price. But it's anyone's guess where it will go next. The market remains highly unpredictable, and many factors could influence the coin's future value. Investors are advised to stay informed and be prepared for further fluctuations. This volatility is not uncommon for newly launched cryptocurrencies, especially those with a large and passionate community like Pi Network. The enthusiasm and engagement of the Pi community have been instrumental in driving the coin's early success. As the network continues to grow and evolve, it will be fascinating to see how Pi Coin's journey unfolds in the coming months and years. So the big question is, should you invest in Pi Network? This is a question that many potential investors are grappling with as they navigate the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. With so many options available, it's important to carefully consider the unique aspects of Pi Network before making any decisions. Well, like with any investment, there are both pros and cons to consider. It's essential to weigh these factors to make an informed decision. Let's delve deeper into what makes Pi Network stand out and what potential pitfalls you should be aware of. On the plus side, Pi Network has a massive and growing user base, which is a significant advantage. A large user base can drive demand and increase the value of the Pi Coin over time. This community-driven approach is one of the key strengths of Pi Network. This growing user base could translate into increased demand for Pi Coin in the future. As more people join the network and use the coin, its value could potentially rise, offering substantial returns for early adopters. Its mobile-first approach and ease of use make it accessible to a wider audience compared to more technically complex cryptocurrencies. This user-friendly design lowers the barrier to entry, allowing even those who are new to cryptocurrency to participate and benefit. Additionally, Pi Network's focus on sustainability and low energy consumption is appealing to environmentally conscious investors. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require significant computational power, Pi Network aims to be eco-friendly, which is a growing concern in today's world. However, there are also significant risks to consider. No investment is without its downsides, and Pi Network is no exception. It's important to be aware of these risks before diving in. Pi Network's lack of transparency and reliance on a referral system raise red flags for some investors. The referral system, while effective in growing the user base, can be seen as a pyramid scheme by skeptics. Transparency issues also make it difficult to fully trust the platform. The recent price volatility demonstrates the speculative nature of the market and the potential for significant losses. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price swings, and Picoin is no different. This volatility can lead to substantial financial losses if not managed carefully. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Pi Network is a personal one. Each investor must consider their own financial situation, risk tolerance, and investment goals. It's not a one-size-fits-all decision. It's crucial to weigh the potential rewards against the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. As with any investment, due diligence and careful consideration are key. Make sure to do your research and consult with financial advisors if needed before making any commitments. Section 5. The future of Pi, what could happen? Predicting the future of any cryptocurrency is a fool's errand, but we can speculate on some potential scenarios for Pi Network. One possibility is that Pi Network continues to gain traction, attracting even more users and developers to its platform. As the ecosystem grows and more use cases for Picoin emerge, its value could increase significantly. Another scenario is that Pi Network struggles to gain mainstream adoption and its value stagnates or even declines. This could be due to competition from other cryptocurrencies, regulatory hurdles, or technical challenges. Only time will tell what the future holds for Pi Network. However, one thing is for sure, it will be an exciting journey to watch. Section 6. Binance listing, a game changer for Pi? One event that could have a significant impact on the future of Pi Network is a potential listing on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance. This would not only bring more visibility to Picoin, but also increase its credibility in the eyes of both investors and the general public. Being listed on a major exchange is often seen as a milestone for any cryptocurrency, marking its transition from a niche project to a more mainstream asset. Currently, Picoin is only available on a limited number of smaller exchanges, which limits its liquidity and accessibility. This means that trading volumes are relatively low, and the coin is not as easily accessible to a broader audience. For many potential investors, the lack of availability on major exchanges is a significant barrier to entry. A Binance listing would expose Picoin to a much larger audience of traders and investors, potentially leading to a surge in demand and price. The increased exposure could also attract institutional investors, who often look for assets listed on reputable exchanges before making significant investments. This could lead to a more stable and robust market for Picoin. Binance is known for its rigorous listing process, so getting listed would be a major vote of confidence for Pi Network. The exchange conducts thorough due diligence, evaluating the project's technology, team, and overall potential. Successfully passing this scrutiny would not only boost Pi Network's reputation, but also assure investors of its legitimacy and long-term viability. Rumors of a potential Binance listing have been circulating within the Pi Network community, but nothing has been confirmed yet. These rumors have generated a lot of excitement and speculation, with many community members eagerly awaiting any official announcements. The anticipation alone has already had a positive impact on the community's morale and engagement. However, if Pi Network does manage to secure a listing on Binance or other major exchanges, it could be a game changer for the project. The increased visibility and credibility could lead to a significant influx of new users and investors, driving the project's growth and development. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, such a milestone could set the stage for Pi Network's future success. Section 7. The wider crypto landscape. It's important to remember that Pi Network doesn't exist in a vacuum. The cryptocurrency market as a whole is incredibly dynamic and influenced by a wide range of factors, including technological advancements, regulatory changes, and macroeconomic trends. For example, the recent surge in Bitcoin's price to nearly $100,000 has had a positive ripple effect on the entire crypto market, including Pi Network. Similarly, ongoing discussions about cryptocurrency regulation in the United States could have a significant impact on the industry, either positive or negative. When considering an investment in Pi Network, it's essential to be aware of the broader crypto landscape and the factors that could influence its future. Section 8. Pi Network, a risky bet or a golden opportunity? So, is Pi Network a risky bet or a golden opportunity? The answer, as is often the case in the world of cryptocurrency, is, it depends. Pi Network has the potential to disrupt the cryptocurrency space with its mobile-first approach, massive user base, and focus on sustainability. However, it also faces significant challenges, including a lack of transparency, regulatory uncertainty, and intense competition. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to invest in Pi Network is a personal one that should be based on your own research, risk tolerance, and financial goals. That's it for today's video on Pi Network. I hope you found it informative and helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.